Hi beautiful planner people, I have a little package to share with you. Today we have a package from Harriet Wright Designs. When this showed up I was super confused because I thought my last monthly subscription came last month, but turns out I had one more month, so I was super happy about that. I did open it just to peek inside, not realizing what it was because I was like, I haven't been able to order from her. What is this? But it totally is my monthly subscription, so I'm excited to share that with you. I will have details on her reopening at the end, so stick around and let's open this guy up. So isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. I love the colors. I'm such a blue person. Okay, so that's everything. This is my foil add-on, and here is my base monthly subscription. It says, "Be kind. I hope you had a great July. How are we halfway through 2021? I have no idea." I thought this kit would be perfect for autumn winter. I love the blues and silver foil together. Be sure to tag us on social media. We love to see how you use our kits. Lots of love, Harriet. So this one, it's Cinderella themed if you hadn't already figured that out, and I am beyond excited about Cinderella. I mean, it's Disney. So I love that she called it Be Kind. So let's go through the small sheets you get with this one. So you have your extra fashion girl. I love that you have like a redhead, a brunette, a blonde, and then a darker skinned girl with dark hair. You can tell the difference in the skin tones here. Like this girl's a little bit darker in skin tone than like the blonde or the redhead, which is really true to life, I mean. So that's kind of cool. Then I always have to make sure that I only have one sheet because her paper is so much thicker than everybody else's. But you have these beautiful, beautiful decorative boxes that I can't wait to try out. I absolutely adore those. We have our bow headers. And then we have this beautiful deco sheet. I mean, oh my goodness. I love all the different elements. I love that they're not huge and that you have like little mice. The mice are adorable. And birds and little bows and a shoe. Oh, it's just so pretty. Really amazing deco to go with this. Okay, now here are our base boxes. So pretty standard here. I love that she does this one with the floral and the shoe. That's an amazing box to me. And I love the castle, of course, and you have her running out there. And then you have the mice on the bed kind of looking at the time. I mean, all these boxes are really amazing. I mean, look at this girl wandering off with like the little glittery, like the fairy godmother just did her thing. And then I love this quote that she put in here that says bippity boppity boo. I think I'm going to use this as a Halloween kit. I have to kind of rethink my Halloween lineup because there's so many kits I really want to use. So here are your bow boxes with your checklist. And then this is our decorative boxes. Super pretty. Love all of those. Then we have our to-dos and our more functional boxes. You do get 7 of the, I'll call them dinner icons because that's usually what we use them for, right? And we have habit trackers and 3 bill do's here. Super awesome. And then this is more of your decorative elements. You have your icons, your layering bits here. You have bow checklist. And these, there's usually something. Sometimes it's hearts and sometimes it's circles. So let's see here if I can see what they are. Oh, it looks like circles this month. And then of course you have your day headers, which are absolutely gorgeous. And then this is our final page with, I think these are 10mm washies. Don't hate me if I'm wrong on that. And then these are headers. Some of them, like they kind of vary in thicknesses, so you can use them for different things. you have 2 of these 5mm washies at the bottom, and then you have some, I love these, the little arrows with the words on them. I think they're awesome. You have some bows, another decorative box, and then you have the weekend script. So I absolutely adore this kit. I think it's amazing. And then this is my foil add-on. So you can either purchase, well, I don't know what it's going to be when her new stuff comes out, to be honest, because I know she's reformatting this. This is why she kind of canceled everybody, so that she can kind of start fresh, because it's going to be, I think, a new format, a new kind of kit, because I believe she's bringing in foil. I could be wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure. And so pricing is just going to be different, and what you get is going to be different. So she went ahead and canceled everybody. So let's see what we got in our foil pack here. So these are little, they're circle cut icons with that beautiful blue. It makes me think of the Simply Gilded icons a little bit, only instead of being on hearts, they're on circles. They're really, really cute. Then we have some just plain squares, which I think are going to go great with that decorative. Wait, hold on. If I can lift them up. Like these decorative squares, if you need to write something in one of the more, I guess, busy boxes or something, I bet you can layer these somehow, especially like this one or this one. I think those would look really cool. So anyhow, so you get boxes. Then we got these silver little swoops here with, it looks like just little lights. They almost make me think of Christmas lights. And it's just really cute. I think those are going to be a great addition. I love the to-do scripts. They are just absolutely beautiful. Oh. And then we got this page, which has, you know, these little floral elements, which are going to be great little touches to add to this kit. But that's everything I have for her kit. I am not going to quote you a price because I know that's changing, but I will tell you some reopening things. So this video is scheduled to go up on Friday, which is the day of her reopening. So Friday, the 20th of August, she is planning on reopening. She's got Facebook posts and Instagram posts about it, so you can always look it up that way. So she'll be opening at 5 p.m. British Standard Time, which ends up being about noon Eastern Standard Time. She will have a 20% off going in on the site, but it's not off everything. It's a select item, so I'm not sure what those select items are going to be. The planners, which, hold on, let me grab mine, which is the planner that I use for my weekly planning as my A5 wide planner. These will be back in stock. She's also going to have a daily planner, and she has both the A5, the A5 wide, and the B6 size, and I think both planners. I did see when I was looking, because you can kind of see a preview of what the daily planners are going to look like, and it looks like there's going to be an hourly view. I don't know if that's two different formats or if it goes together, because there's a page that is very functional and has all of your like to-dos, your routines, and just all kinds of stuff, and it looks amazing, to be honest. And then I saw a brief glimpse of a hourly layout, so I don't know if those two go together, maybe side by side. So that will be interesting to see. And then there's going to be new notebooks with an option of lined, dot grid. There was another one. Maybe it's blank. I'm not sure. I'm excited about the notebooks and stuff. I don't know if it's going to be the planners too, but I think I saw her specifically say that the notebooks are going to have interchangeable covers now. So I'm excited to see what those are and whether or not that translates over to the planners too, because that would be kind of fun. She's going to have new collections as far as the stickers go. I believe she went through a reformat during this extended time off. And so we're going to see some new designs there. I'm guessing that it's going to be open for new subscriptions to sign up. And I'm hoping to go ahead and do that. I know she was going to reserve spots for all the people who currently had subscriptions. So I haven't seen an email about that, but I'm obviously going to check on Friday. I should have said this at the beginning. I am in no way affiliated with Harriet. I just really like her stuff. Her style really speaks to me. And so I have a lot of her things. And so I wanted to share with you guys when she was reopening because of that. But yeah, not an affiliate, not a representative or anything like that. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.